Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and everything's going good for you. We are on week 4 of distant learning. That's pretty remarkable. I miss you all very much. Hope you guys are all doing very well. Don't forget, me and Miss Carpenter, we have our office hours on Wednesdays from 9:30 to 10:30. So if you need to speak to us, that's the time. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into today's assignment, which is going to be a thinking map, more specifically a tree map, on section 14, or chapter 14, section 1. And it's dealing with the debate over slavery. It's going to be a very important section because it's leading up, all of this is leading up to the Civil War. So, we are doing a tree map. And in case you've forgotten how we do thinking maps on Google Docs, go ahead and go to Insert, Drawing, New, and you'll get this checkerboard. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is select Shapes and our rectangle shape. We're doing a tree map. The first thing that we need for our tree map is we need our main topic. So for today, our main topic is going to be over the slavery debate. That's our main topic. As always, we will go over the first one together, the first subtopic, and then you will do the rest on your own. There's only 3, so it shouldn't take too long. So we're going to go ahead and create 3 rectangle boxes here. Go ahead and spread them out. The first one that we're going to be covering is going to be on the Compromise of 1850. So what was going on? What are some things that we saw happen during the Compromise of 1850? What was taking place? What was the debates about? So one of the issues that we had, or one of the things that came up because of it, is that, first of all, it sparked a lot of debate between leaders during the time period. So this compromise, it's trying to find something that's going to fit both the views of the North and the South and give something to each one of them. But we have a lot of debate between leaders taking place during this time. For example, we have William Seward of New York, who is saying, no, I don't think California should come in with conditions. California should be admitted as a free state without any conditions. There should be no conditions. And then you have Southern supporters, or Southern slave state supporters, like John C. Calhoun, who is saying, if California just comes in as a free state, this is going to upset the balance between free states and slave states, and it's going to end up causing a civil war. So we have a lot of debate taking place between leaders during this time period. You also have an increase in sectionalism. And remember, that's just the idea of putting a certain region or favoring a certain region over the country as a whole. So these are 2 things that you have come up during the Compromise of 1850 and the debate over slavery. You have an increase in sectionalism, and it's going to cause a lot of debate between leaders during this time period. Such as, you have leaders saying, hey, no, I think that California should be coming in as a free state without any conditions. I don't believe in it. I disagree, because if that happens, it's going to upset the balance. Or you have other people like Daniel Webster who's saying, no, this is the best thing for our country. We need to keep the Union together. So those are some of the debates that are taking place with the Compromise of 1850. Your job now for the next two subtopics is you're going to describe what's going on in these debates and giving me a brief summary. So the first one I want you to cover is the Fugitive Slave Act. Go ahead and describe what's taking place or what's going on during this time. Why is there a debate? What are they debating about? Etc. And last, you are going to cover anti-slavery literature. So what's going on? What's causing or growing the debate in slavery due to anti-slavery literature? Go ahead and fill that out there. So that's your assignment for today. If you have any questions, don't forget, me and Ms. Carpenter have office hours on Wednesdays from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. And if you need to speak to us or if that time doesn't work for you, please feel free to email us. Anyways, guys, I hope you're doing well. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to y'all later.